The math. So we're going to look at question 7 from exercise 9C. Okay, this is actually a really good question because it involves changing conditions. Okay, so let's read the question. An amount of $35,000 is borrowed for 20 years at an interest rate of 10.5% per annum, compounding monthly. Okay, so it's always important to highlight like the key questions. This is my principal value. This is my number of years. Well, n would be, because it's compounded monthly, 20 times 12. My interest rate is 10.5. Run all answers correct to the nearest cent unless otherwise specified. Rounded payments, balance values. Use rounded payments and balance values for subsequent calculations. So meaning you don't need to write the full decimal places, just write to use the two decimal place calculations for other calculations. So what are the payments for the loan? Okay, so we'll go to our finance solver. Let's do this. Go to financial. Okay, compound interest. Now enter what we know. 20 years, 20 times 12. My interest rate is 10.5. PV is a positive or negative. We're borrowing money, so it must be positive because money's coming to you. Okay. My payments, we're trying to work out. Okay, so my final value, well, I want my loan to go to 0 because amortizing, 12 and 12. So my payment is 349.43. Okay, so 349.43. Okay, so that's my first part. Now I might what I might do is I might screenshot this. So you have a record of what's going on. Okay, so I've done the first part. I got my payment. It's 349. So got that. How much interest is paid over loan over 20-year period? 20-year period to the nearest $100. Okay, so what we've done is we want to find how much interest is paid over the loan in 20 years. So all you need to do is you go, the formula is the interest is equal to DN, so the payment amount times the number of payments minus V0, okay, minus principal. So my number of payments is 240. The payment amount's 349.43, and you're minusing V0, which is 35,000. Okay, so let's work out what that is. So remember, it's always easier to use a scientific calculator for certain calculations because, a trick you can use if you don't have a scientific calculator is you can do the calculation in the boxes. So times 349.43 minus 35,000. So 48863.20. 48863.20 dollars. Okay, make sure to put dollars in. How much is owing at the end of 4 years? Okay, so you take a snapshot of the loan because we already have the payment amount. So I'll just click that again. We already have the payment amount. We can use that to calculate get a snapshot of the loan at 4 years. So 4 years means 4 times 12, and we're just trying to find the final value. Okay, so I'll just copy that. Okay, so when I take a snapshot of the loan, the answer is here. We still owe, and negative means we still owe $32437.73. Okay. After 4 years, the interest rate has risen to 13.75. So we have a change in conditions. So our first 4 years, we're under one interest rate. Then for the rest of the loan, which is how many years? It must be 16 years. Okay. So it's really important that you get the time period right. So 16 years, we're paying interest rate of 13.75. So this is at 10.5%. This is at 13.75%. Now, it's really important that you negotiate the break, okay? So what's happening here is your final balance for year 4 carries to become the principal of year 5, okay? Year 5 onwards. So what's going to happen is you're going to move the FV from here to the PV up there. And it's going to be positive. Why is it going to be positive? Because it's like you're taking a new loan. Okay, so whenever you take a new loan, you get money. It's assuming you're getting $32,437.73. So you're assuming you're starting a loan again. Okay, so how many years do we have left? We have 16 years left, so 16 times 20. No, 16 times 12, sorry. 16 times 12. The interest rate is now 13.75. Principal is the same. My payment, we want to find a value to be zero because we're trying to find what the new payments will be in the next, to see the amount paid in 20 years. Okay, so we've got 16 years left. We want to find our payments. Our final value is zero because we want to pay out the loan. So 418.65. Okay, so I'm going to capture the screen. So we can see it's 418.65. So new payments 418.65. 418.65. Now, how much extra must be paid over loan in 20 years to the nearest $100? Oh, by the way, for Part B, it says to the nearest $100. So if you round that, follow the rounding instructions, there'll be 900, 48900. Okay, so make sure you read the question. How much extra would need to pay? So extra. Now, in the 4 years, you were paying repayments of 349.43 per month, right? In the remainder 16 years, we pay 418.65. So the only difference in payment is between the 16 years. So if I subtract 418.65 minus 3 minus from if I subtract 349.43, and this amount we multiply by 16 times 12, that should give me like how much I've overpaid or how much I have to pay extra due to the differences from 16 years. So I can go main 349.43 minus, no, not, we've got 418.65 minus 349.43. Okay, that should have decimal. And then we times that by 16 times 12 because we want 16 years of 12 months payments. So 13290.24. 13290.24. 13290.24. It says round to nearest $100, so do that please. 13300. Okay, we're done. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to do the problem. Just make sure whenever you have a change condition, your new calculation, okay, is taken from your old calculation. So your old FV, goes to your new PV, okay, but you change the sign, okay, it's like you're getting a new loan again. So hope that helps.